Friday.
And he's coming. He's coming in on.
So how do y'all think we're gonna finish up? How can where do you see, Dre? Where we looking now? Right now, today is what?
This is
Wednesday.
This is Wednesday. We are on schedule to complete by the 10th of next. By the 10th
I want y'all to hear
month.
this. All right.
We're on schedule to complete by the 10th.
And Kurt will be done by the 18th, which is open house.
Yes.
The roof will be on by the 18th.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
All right.
Only person gonna be in here after the 9th is me, and that's just touching up, and just in case we miss something.
Yeah. And we'll get you to come in with a fresh set of eyes to be punch out because he will be been in here, so you will come in here and scan over. That way we'll be fresh. We got a lot of eyeballs coming here on the 18th because we're doing a class for the women that's following my wife and trying to learn how to invest in real estate, and their husband's gonna come too, so they can learn, you know, because I want a team to come. That way we know when they start investing in this, they got dual income, so they won't run into no problem. That's why I'm attracting young ladies who want to learn this business, and then they bring their mate with them, and then we can show them what we do, and they'll know it's not a secret. Yeah. It's not a secret, to be honest. Yeah. It's just you do what you do, put good work out, you find good properties, and if you got a little cash up front, it works. But you can get your cash right back after you finish out. John, so what do you got to say to the folks, man? As far as what's going down here,
I'm tired.
John is tired.
I'm trying to work.
John, you look like you done for the day, man.
Done for the day. No, I ain't done for the day, but it won't be very long. As soon as I clean up my tools.
All right.
My wife gone, so I ain't got
863-410-0877.